Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Javier Caicedo. I study English in the University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, UNAB, and now I'm going to try to do my homework according to the activity guide and the growth 6 material design for virtual environment is the course, unit 2, stage 3. Task 2, design teaching material with web. Well, I'm going to try to start to do my homework, the personal introduction, speaking activity. And I want to say my name is Jesus Javier Caicedo. I am 45 years old. I live in Buenaventura City. I study 8 semesters and a degree in English as a foreign language. Well, first of all, I want to say that I want to, according to the proposed question, I will say that Buenaventura is an important port city in the department of the Valle del Cauca, in the southwest to the country. It's located on the shore of Buenaventura Bay. Buenaventura has different places to be visited. For example, it is beaches, in its crystal clear river, Huanchaco, Ladrillero, La Sierpe, different river around Buenaventura. Located at the entrance of Bahia Malaga, 1 hour by boat. It's a very luxury place like restaurant, hotel, recreation park, when family can share in the open air. All family go there and play domino, card, do different sport like football, soccer, and basketball, and different sport, and read different books and magazines, do according to the parks there. Well, Buenaventura, it is possible to lead a healthy life with fresh foods. In Buenaventura, we can find a wide range of dishes, meals that are self-sufficient at the Pacific with Mesa Park Culinary. Well, this is the first activity number 1, writing activity. With the activity, we are going to try to improve this writing ability, to improve in the student, and read the follow test about the routine of a man named Matthew, and then answer the comprehension question. Okay, the student must answer the question according to the proposed reading. Follow the example given by teacher, who will try to know the handling of each student with a grammatical term in the pronunciation of the subject. And the teacher needs to read this test and then the answer, and then the student need to answer and to choose what is the right answer. My friend Matthew has a very hairy life. For a study, he has 3 jobs. In the morning, he works as a teacher. In the afternoon, as a taxi driver. And at night, as a singer. Matthew wakes up 8 a.m. He takes a shower, gets dressed, and goes to school. He doesn't have time for breakfast at home, so he has breakfast at school. Matthew teacher feels great. He loves children, so enjoy his work. At 12:30, Matthew always has lunch with his co-worker. Then he goes to his father's house to pick up his father's taxi and begin work as taxi driver. He's a good driver and likes talking to the passenger about politics and sport. Matthew has a rock band. At night, the band plays some music at a located bar. After singing for 2 hours, he goes back home, have dinner, and watch a little TV. Matthew's wife is pregnant, so he will quit to his job soon. He wants to share a lot of time with his family in the future. Well, Now this is the possible answer that students need to choose. Number one, where does Matthew have breakfast? It is three possible answers. And number two, who does Matthew have lunch with? And number three, does they watching TV with his wife? Okay, the student need to choose what is the answer, the right answer. And number four, is he going to have more time for his family in the future? There are three kind of answer, and the student need to say what is the right answer. Number five, Matthew wakes up. Need to improve his ability to writing ability. Well, this is all for today, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time. It's time to go now. Okay, see ya.